The MyLink radio with navigation gives you multiple ways to enter a destination. First, press the navigation icon, then the destination icon on the map. From there, you can choose 5 methods to enter a destination: voice recognition, address, recent destinations, contacts, and places of interest. To initiate voice recognition using the steering wheel controls, press the push-to-talk button, listen for the system response and the beep, then speak one of the commands to begin a dialogue with the system. Commands include destination address, destination places of interest, or destination contact. To initiate voice recognition from the touchscreen, press the voice icon and use one of the commands displayed on the touchscreen to begin a dialogue with the system. To use the address method, enter the letters and the numbers on the alphanumeric keypad until all lines of the entry are complete. Or, conduct a search by starting to enter an address, an intersection, a highway, or a freeway entrance ramp. Use recent destinations to recall recently entered or previously saved locations. Use contacts to enter a destination from a connected Bluetooth device or a location from the vehicle's contact list. Use places of interest to drill down to categories to begin a search of these destinations. Once you've entered your destination, press Go on the touchscreen to begin route guidance. Destinations can be stored as favorites before you begin route guidance. First, bring up your list of favorites. Then, press and hold a favorite location until the system beeps.